find any of this or this, and you certainly won't find any of this. Honestly, I don't even know how he got into that position. But if you are tight, if you're
YouTube, what's up? I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'll be reacting to a stretching video, an 8-minute stretching video by name 8-minute stretching routine for people who aren't flexible. If you're not flexible, this is the right video for you. So let's go right into it.
stretching routine for people who are not very flexible. In this video, you're not going to find any of this or this, and you certainly won't find any of this. Honestly, I don't even know how he got into that position. But if you are tight, if you're stiff, if your body is not very flexible and you like to improve your mobility, you're in the right place. This is the right video for you. So clear some space on your floor and let's get to work. Let's get started with a lumbar rotation stretch. Lay on your back with your right knee bent. With your left hand, grab the outside of your right knee and pull that over to your left side until you get a good comfortable stretch through your lower back and through your hip. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds.
So this one is called lumbar rotation stretch, right? At times it feels as though stretching could be a little bit hard, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like this is an easy start. So let's see what he has in store for us. So this is like the first exercise. So yeah, let's keep watching though. I love this. This will really feel good on the waist. Real.
Now we're going to repeat to the other side. So my right hand grabs my left knee, pulls my left knee over to my right side until we get a good comfortable stretch in the lower back and hip on the left side.
So basically, after you go on the right side first, then you will go on the left side. This exercise, I guess it helps to like ease up the waist. Yeah, I guess this targets the waistline to free it up, to help it to be more flexible. You know what I'm saying? So after you go on the right, then you go on the left type shit.
From here, we'll move into a hamstring stretch. Left leg goes straight, both hands cup right behind the right knee, and then straighten that knee out until you get a good stretch right up here in the hamstring muscle.
This one is called the hamstring stretch. So he's first of all starting off with the right leg. You know what I'm saying? I'm guessing for a lot of people, for a lot of beginners, it will take you a while to get your leg fully straight up like this, but you have to start, you know, however way you can till you can be able to get your leg fully straight like this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's a gradual process. It took him years to get to this. So, but this is actually for beginners. This will help you to be able to be more flexible. Yeah.
And then we'll repeat on the left side. It's important that I mention that you should keep your stretching very comfortable. I want you to push to the point where it starts to get painful, but I don't want you to push into pain. So keep stretching comfortable as you can.
Exactly what I said. You have to just, you know what I'm saying, do what you can. If it's your first time, I know it will be very, very hard for you to be able to get your leg fully straight like his, but wherever your position, you feel like you're already like in pain and can be comfortable and like keep pushing through. You just have to do that. It's a gradual process. It's your first time, so as you keep doing it, you get more flexible. That's how everything works when you're trying to be flexible and all that. It's a gradual process. So after the left, okay, after the right side, then he's over to the left side right now.
Next, we'll get into a piriformis stretch. Cross your right leg over your left knee, grab your left knee and pull it up towards your chest until you get a good stretch in that right hip.
So he called this one piriform stretch. This is actually a good one too. Very, very good. Helps with the leg. I think this, yeah, also help the waistline, helps everything more flexible, more stretching and all that. So this one is good too. You know what I'm saying?
Repeat the stretch on the left side. Cross your left leg over your right knee. Pull that right knee up towards your chest until you get a good stretch on that left hip.
It will take you a while to get to this position for real. It's a gradual process.
Next, we'll move into a tall kneeling hip flexor stretch. And so put your right knee on the ground, take a big lunge step with your left foot, scoot your weight forward.
So he called this one tuck knee hip flexor stretch. So he's starting off with the right leg, right? You can see his position right here. You know what I'm saying? So he's doing something different. Before he's been lying on the floor. So right now he's switching positions. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, everything is a gradual process. Yeah.
Onto that left foot until you get a good stretch here through the right front of your hip.
So basically, before you can be able to do splits, a full split, you know, to show how flexible you are, these are like the small exercises you have to do in order for you to get to the full split. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you have to start with all the small ones. So let's keep watching.
Real simple transition. Now shift your weight back to the right knee with the left leg out straight. Keep your back straight and lean forward until you get a good stretch through the left hamstring.
So he called this one the knee hamstring stretch. Yeah, okay. I feel like it will take you a while to fully get in position if this is your first time trying this exercise. It will actually take you a while, you know what I'm saying? So, but you have to do what you have to do. These are like the exercises he's showing in order for you to get flexible. So, however way you could do it, like I keep saying, it's a gradual process and you fully flow. You know what I'm saying?
And then we'll repeat that series on the other side. Left knee goes down, right foot comes forward, lunge onto that right foot until you get a good stretch here through the left hip flexor, and then hold that for 30 seconds. And then again, shift the weight back to the left knee, right foot comes forward until we get a good stretch right here through that right hamstring.
So basically, you keep your right foot at the front, you know what I'm saying? After keeping the right foot at the front, then you do the back one. So back and forth, doing it like twice, front and back. You know what I'm saying? This will help like stretch out your hamstrings. You know, everything has to do with the hamstrings. Your hamstrings needs to be all flexible and free in order for you to be able to do all splits that you need. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so.
Next is a seated spine rotation stretch. I'm gonna cross my left leg over my right. My right elbow comes to the outside of my left knee just until I get a good stretch. This one's a little higher up in your back. Comfortable stretch for 30 seconds.
So you call this one the seated spine rotation stretch. Wow, this one you really feel it like in your back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it also engages your hamstrings, I believe, but you also feel it like at your hip muscles, you know what I'm saying, around that area, help free it up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
And then repeat on the other side. Left leg goes out, right knee crosses
On the
over,
other side.
left elbow to the outside of the right knee.
So he's going on the left side, he's going on the right side, now he's on the left side. So from what I'm seeing here, he's going like 28 seconds each. You know what I'm saying? For each exercise this has been shown here, he's going like 28 seconds and for all of them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just pointing that out.
And rotate. Sometimes I get a few good pops out of this one. Next is one of my favorites for the entire back. This is a child's pose stretch. We're gonna come onto all fours, sit your bottom down onto your heels until we get just a good stretch all through the back, through the lats. Tuck your chin into your chest and just sink into that stretch, stretching the whole spine with this one for 30 seconds.
So you call this one the child pose stretch. Just taking a look at him doing this, like it feels as though I'm even way more relieved. This will really feel really good, especially at your back and also giving your hamstrings a more relief and all that. So I will definitely be trying all these exercises out. I love this child pose stretch. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely do this one.
Next, we're gonna do some upper back extension. So what I want you to do is place your fingertips to the back of your head, bring your elbows together and fold forward. And then we're going to open everything up, look up towards the ceiling, separate your elbows out, feel a good stretch through your chest, and then come right back down. And then we'll just repeat that about 3 times. So up, look up to the ceiling.
So we call this one the upper back extension. This will like really help you to, you know what I'm saying, free every tension at your back muscles, free it up, you know, and then come right back down. That's basically what he's trying to show us here. So this will like free all the back tension, all the tension in your back, you know what I'm saying? So yeah.
And fold back down. Finally is going to be an upper trap stretch for your neck. Left ear over towards your left shoulder. With your left hand, come up to the opposite side of your head and apply just a gentle overpressure until we get a good stretch through the right side of the neck.
So this is the upper back stretch. So basically from what he's showing here, this is like around this region to help ease up every tension, every stretching. All these exercises are just, you know what I'm saying, to help your body to be more flexible, to be able to get into any position you feel like as you keep going. I'm saying, yeah.
And finally, we're going to repeat that over here to the right side. And so right ear over to right shoulder till we stretch that left side of the neck out. Again, this is a simple, convenient 8-minute stretching routine. We addressed all the major muscles and all the major joints in the body. Didn't take us long, no equipment required. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button as soon as we're done here. Also, here's another video from Tone and Titan that you might enjoy. Click right here to check this one out. For some reason, YouTube thinks that you might like this video right here, so check that.
All right. So we are here at the end of the video. So all this, like I said, all these exercises is an 8 minute workout. It's just to help free up your body, all the major muscles that you need to get engaged in order for you to really be all loosened up for the stretching. You know what I'm saying? Like we showed in the video, you have to do for the left side and the right side, you know, both for the upper body and also for the lower body. You have to do each and each in order to free up all the tension and all that to help you to be way more flexible. You know what I'm saying? So quite a good exercise right here. I really rock with this. So that'll be it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, you know what I'm saying, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about it? Give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. And that'll be it. See you in the next one. Peace.